Rhondda and Taff Street Care team introduced the school reuniform scheme to Pontypridd High School to help parents save money and the environment at the same time by recycling their child's old school uniform and giving them the opportunity to purchase like new, recycled, washed, cleaned and bobbled off uniforms for less than 60% of the normal cost. Parents drop their child's unwanted uniform in the designated bins at their local school or any of the council's main offices, which are then collected, cleaned and repaired. It's then returned to the school for sale at a nominal charge. The scheme has been rolled out to all 143 schools in the borough, and uniforms can also be purchased at Rhondda and Taff shop in Pontypridd, which was refurbished by pupils from Cardinal Newman, Hawthorne and Pontypridd High School.